Alright guys, welcome back to my tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to resize a picture using paint. Using the paint to reduce the size of a picture of a file you want to upload. So this is our pictures we have here. If you see this one here, if you go down you will see that it has 3.14 megabytes. And I want to reduce the file size. You right click on it, you click on edit. Allow it to open for you like this. This is the file. Now you see how big the file is. You can see how big the file is. Very big. So I want to reduce. Go to your left hand side. On top you see resize here. Click on resize. You can use percentage to resize, or you use percentage to resize, or you use a pixels. Now pixels here you see the pixel size here. Percentage I want to reduce it by 40%. Okay, let's say 30%. I'll click on OK. You can see it has been reduced. It has been reduced. So if I save it, let me save it as a LGA, as a file name. Now when we open the file, you can see the new one here. The old one here, you can see the size here is 3.14 megabytes. You can see it down here. While this one here is now 340 kilobytes. You see, we have reduced it by even not even up to half of the initial size. Let me do another one. This first file, you can see it has 2.91 megabytes. You can see it down here. You can see my mouse here. You can see 2.91 megabytes. I will right click, as I said earlier. Right click it to open. Then you click on resize. Type the new size 30%. Click on OK. It has become smaller than it was. I will save. Let's save it as SSCE. I will save. If you go back to our file, you will see it here, and the file is now 247 kilobytes, while the former one was 2.91 kilobyte. So if you are new to our channel, I'm urging you to use this medium to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever you post new videos, you'll be notified. Please don't forget to share and like this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.